So one of the things that I love most about real estate is seeing a home's potential and then helping others to truly visualize it. This home in Montgomery was a great example because after 41 years of living there, the home was definitely in need of a refresh. Originally, we planned to prepare it for the market with updates, paint, and staging, but instead, we were able to connect it directly with buyers who were the perfect fit for the home itself. At first, they weren't quite able to see the vision, and honestly, that's where experience, creativity, and the right resources can make all the difference. We helped bring the possibilities to life by connecting them with designers and contractors, helping create a realistic plan and budget, and showing how this home could evolve into exactly what they wanted for the future. And that is what I love most about this business, helping people to see past what is directly in front of them to find a home's true potential and what it can become. Sometimes we help sellers maximize value through preparation and presentation. Other times, we help buyers look beyond the surface and confidently create something truly their own. Either way, it's about understanding potential, solving problems, and helping people move into the next chapter of their lives with confidence.